Hey everybody, so I found this little knife kit like forever and a year ago. I think I bought it off of eBay. It's called It's My Knife. It's a customizable knife kit thing. You can find them on Instagram, but it's like Fedka Global. I don't know. I was just intrigued by it. I wanted to grab it and put it together, and I'm just now getting around to doing it. Honestly, this is a decently thin blade. The only thing that I have against it is it has a chisel grind on it. It comes decently sharp, but it looks like it has all you need in here. You got a full tang knife, which is pretty dang cool. The grip handles, you got a sheath for it. Looks like sandpaper to help sand some of this down. And what is this little doohick? A screwdriver. That's a funky looking screwdriver. And then little, what do you call these things? Brass screws, bolsters, whatever the heck they are. First things first, we need to remove the wood. It says that we can use the handle thing, but I think I'm going to grab one of my other knives. I haven't played with this one today. Haha. Looks like some of the ripping out process probably damaged some of the handle, but you know what? I'm not worried. That's nice. It even labels like, oh, this is the inside. Oh yeah, it says, do not alter the backside of the wooden handle, which is this side. Too late. Since I don't want to do both at different times, I'm just going to attach both of these together and make it uniform all the way across. I have to keep in mind here, I can tell the wood grain's going up and down this way, so I can't carve like this, because then I run the risk of ripping it all across. So going along this curve, I need to go with the wood grain there. Backside is slightly curved, so from here this way, I carve that direction. From here this way, I carve in this direction. So let's smooth it out. So that's done there. One feels harder than the other, but it doesn't really have a numerical indicator on the back. I can feel this one is more coarse than this one. One is probably your rough sanding, and the other one is light sanding. With this, I'm going to go with the wood grain for everything. I'm not going to go across this way, because then you're going to get cross scratches. Yeah, that feels good in the hands. All right, let's finish assembly. All right, so there, line it up. This actually feels really good. All right, where's a piece of wood? I want to see how sharp it is without me doing anything to it. I could use a little bit of touch up, but out of the box, it's not bad, especially since this is like kind of a harder piece of basswood. Gonna make a small roll. I'm gonna be very honest, I'm somewhat impressed for what this is. Could have used a bit more of a touch up? Absolutely. Is it perfect? No. But if you needed a nice little whittling knife and all you can do is just get a kit because of whatever laws are in your country, or you just wanted something neat, this could be a very viable thing. This is my knife thing. I'll have the link in the description below if you want to go pick one up yourself, but I'm not going to lie, I'm actually somewhat impressed with this. But yeah, give it a shot if you want it. It's designed to be customizable. Go for it.